Welcome back. Now we are unboxing Syska wireless Bluetooth. This comes with a magnetic robust bass earbuds. Fast charge support is available. Playtime up to 25 hours with 60% volume. 10 minutes of charge will support 10 to 12 hours of playback. Otherwise, charging 1 hour complete charge will support 2 days. So it also has a dual pairing support. Very flexible, neat design. Also comes with a support extra buds, supporting cable, warranty card, dual pairing supported, Bluetooth 5.0, working range wireless up to 10 meters from the connected device. Overall, good quality, original Syska wireless bud. Thanks.